Just up another river system local to me. I know there's some decent sized bass up here, so work's giving me the day off. Woke up to a message saying I'm cancelled for the day. So here I am fishing. It's good fun that. No spiders thankfully. Anyway, time I get out, drag my kayak up there. I'll see you shortly. El Captain Bass Axe, weapon of bass destruction. Nearly there for a bit. Start working these banks up here. Hopefully get some surface action. Shit. Got me paddle back. Start again, shall we? Had a big tangle at the top of this little rapid. Sorted that out. Went to take off, realised I lost my paddle. As you saw at the ran downstream. Yeah, we're sorted. Hopefully that's the dramas out the way. Beautiful. Oh. Got a bit of going on these bass in this river. Good fun. Decent size too. Unlike the other rivers I'm used to where they're babies. Get out of here because hopefully there's a few more. Lovely start. And the old surface frog. Beautiful. Let this fine fellow go. Just caught it on the frog, just up around that tree there. See if he's got some buddies hanging around. There's a better one. Uh-oh. Very nice. Very nice. On the frog, Z-Man finesse frog. Ew. Another beautiful bass. Just out from under them trees there. Oh no, it wasn't. It was in front of that little shrub over there. Not that you can see too good from over here, but get anywhere on a kayak. Good times. Things we do for a fish. Well worth it when you get a few. Had 2 so far. Couple of misses. Keep going up to the top of the river as far as I can go, and then I'll swap over to someone's paddle. Swap over to subsurface. Get me a little diver happening. I don't think I can go much further. Anyway, see you soon. Get stuck sometimes. A lot of these rivers at the moment have got trees down over them like this. My favourite river. I can't even get up to the good spot. Finally, been a while. Had me under. Oh. Had me under a tree there. Got him out. Nice. Beautiful bass. Let this guy go. Good size. Says what? I'm loving this spot. Much better getting big fish, or, you know, decent sized fish. Again on the jig spinner. Sharp point jig head. Baby bass slim swim. Beautiful. Get them out of the way. Whoa. And that's how you snap a rod. My favourite rod too.